prove you cannot download duplicates in custom database. And when you run out of leads, so we'll do an example. We'll just pick, what's something very, very, very specific? Panic alarm. Brian comes up, 32 people. So we'll save these 32. And then if we were to resave it, it's going to just get stuck in pending.
Brian, I can't see your screen. I don't know if it's, are you doing something?
Yes, I was doing something. So here we go right here. So I saved 32 records, which was all 32 records, right? And before you would be able to download duplicates, like if you save 32, then saved another 32, it would be the same 32. Now, if you were to ever see a list with the number 0 and in pending, and it never leaves pending, that's because there's no more unique records. But if we were to go and let's say change the name to Bri instead of Brian, and then we were going to go, we'll do BRIA, Bria. So we have 54. So now if I was going to go and save 54, and it found the duplicates and removed them, and then it's going to send those to you. And all that stuff they taught you in math, this is the only reason it's good for at the end of the day. But yeah, so it's set up, it does that, and it's consistently doing that. Now, if you're going to do it with a very big list, like the business professional one, that is going to be a little bit more complicated, only because there's 36 million records here. So when the system's looking for a duplicate, it has a lot more data to run through. So just bear that in mind. Business professional database might take a little bit longer. Also, the file names for the custom databases, what you name them, that is what the email is now. So you don't have to have that confusion with your users of what file did I save. The actual name of the file is being emailed to you now. And I'll go show you that real quick. So everything that's saved now, you can organize a little bit better right within here. So the name of the file was 54, and it is named 54.